Hey guys, my name's Imogen and I'm the Welfare Officer here at University of Galway. I've been asked by SexualWellbeing.ie to show you their new at-home STI test kits. All you need to do is go into SexualWellbeing.ie and fill out the required information so that they can send you out your own free at-home STI test kit. Inside mine, I have a vaginal swab, I have lances and a tube for the blood test. Each kit comes with its own set of clear instructions and YouTube videos to walk you through each step. Depending on your gender and sexual history, you might get different things in your pack. First up was the vaginal swab, which wasn't uncomfortable at all. The video walkthrough there really helped make it so easy. Then I had the blood sample, which was kind of the one I was most worried about, but again, I just watched one of the YouTube videos which gave me a really handy tip of washing my hands in hot water, which helped with my blood flow to make the test so much easier. You just push down on the lance on one of your fingers and begin collecting your blood using the test tube. It hurts a tiny bit and takes a little while, but you just have to be patient with it. Then the final and easiest part, you just put your samples into their cases, into the prepaid and pre-addressed envelope and send through the post. You can expect your results in 72 hours. It's really that simple.